Hi, this is James again from the Baking Chemist. The last time we met, I introduced to you our Scotch Butter Chinese New Year peanut cookies. Today, I'll be sharing with you our Scotch Butter Pineapple Tart cookies. Okay, let's get started. These are the ingredients that we'll be using for our pineapple tart cookies. We're using 170 grams of all-purpose flour, 45 grams of caster sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 egg, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. We'll be using 100 grams of this Scotch butter. For those who do not know how to make this, please refer to our previous video that we've done for the Chinese New Year peanut cookie. You can use this pineapple jam that you can buy from the bakery supply shop. Just roll it up into 5-gram balls for each tart. We'll process the dry ingredients first. Put in all the all-purpose flour into the processor, sugar, and the baking powder. Give it a good mix for 1 or 2 sticks. Okay. Once it's all mixed, put in the Scotch butter. Mix it well. You don't want to lose the delicious brown bits inside there. Give it a good mix. Clean the side of the processor. Make sure that all the dry flour is in the middle of the mix. Put in the egg and the vanilla extract. Mix well. After it's well mixed, you transfer it into a working bowl. Now the next step is basically to form the dough into a one ball. Knead it gently, don't overdo it. Otherwise, the pastry is going to be very tough. So once we have formed the dough, we put it into the fridge and let it rest for 1 hour. Now that the dough has been fully rested in the fridge for 1 hour, let's form the dough into the mold. Weigh out about 7 grams and place it into the tart mold. This is about 3.5 cm in diameter, the smallest one in a bakery supply shop. Press it firmly into the mold and make a small indentation in the mold for the pineapple balls to sit in. Now we are finished with the tart base. It's time for us to put in the pineapple balls onto the tart. So let's take 5-gram balls and press it firmly in the middle. I use a 5-gram ball of the pineapple because that is a nice ratio for me. So you can actually taste the Scotch butter cookie base. Yeah? If you have too much of the pineapple, then it becomes too sweet and it overpowers the pastry that we have at the bottom. Okay, we're all done. It is ready to go into the oven. We have preheated the oven to 180 degrees. So you'll put in the cookies and cook it for 12 to 15 minutes. Okay, it has been about 14 minutes in the oven. Here are the freshly baked pineapple tarts. You can see it's well done when the edges of the pastry is golden brown. We allow it to cool for half an hour or so. After cooling the cookies for about 30 minutes, okay, it should be warm to touch. To remove the cookie from the mold, just give it a squeeze at the side and the cookie should easily pop out. Okay, this is the finished goods. As you can see, it looks lovely. I hope that you have a chance to try out this recipe of ours, and I'm sure that you will enjoy it. If you don't have the time to make it yourselves, you can always place an order with us at our Instagram page, The Baking Chemist, and I'm sure that you will enjoy these cookies. So thank you very much. I want to wish you all a happy Chinese New Year. 恭喜发财